The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market decline of May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost pointedly tumbled to 37 cents in every practical sense. Hardly any days after some union, the cost further generally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 28 cents in a significant manner. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will in every way that really matters find opportunity to recuperate from this defeat before it can turn beneficial. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Macaulay and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and financial analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Thus, they begat the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement system, block validators, and make more youngster chains of its own. Algorand, the ALGO token. Algorand Organization's group has delivered interface libraries that will be a pioneer. The organization likewise brought an extraordinary token ALGO that especially is presently a significant basically hit at the eminent trades coordinating speed with other digital currencies. Vantage ALGO, the huge genuinely potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point in any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the least charges. Algorand's shrewd agreements are trustless projects that by and large execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, conclusiveness, security, and cost viability. The altcoins can naturally uphold custom principles and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream, which is genuinely critical. Altcoins generally are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting, in opposition to prevalent thinking. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their exhibition and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often certainly send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand brilliant agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents, which is genuinely critical. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost force. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some highs and lows, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some solidification, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw an actually certain selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzle. Before the cost could recapture energy, the whole crypto market saw an accident this year, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upturn. As per our drawn-out ALGO cost expectation, the Algorand cost could reach 5 cents. With a 5-year venture, your especially current speculation might be downgraded. The Algorand figure gauges the greatest cost to hit 3 cents toward the finish of 2023 and 2 cents toward the start of 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. As per our Algorand cost expectation 2023, the token is anticipated to cross a normal cost of 46 cents in the first place in an unpretentious way. The normal greatest cost of Algorand toward the finish of 2023 will be 47 cents, and the normal least cost will be 40 cents. According to the Algorand cost gauge, a decent pinnacle of 60 cents by December 2022 makes certain to scale. As per our Algorand expectation, the token is entering an exceptionally cutthroat and savage space, off-chain scaling, which is genuinely huge, given the posting on regarded stages, and is the brainchild of noteworthy tokens. A cost flood above 70 cents toward the finish of 2025 can surely be anticipated. A much of the time noticed characteristic of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating conduct like other digital forms of money. The brain science of clients extraordinarily drives the crypto market opinions. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Forecast 2022. With organizations and local area subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close 60 cents, which is plus 81.81% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand estimate, yet unquestionably possible, as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon tomorrow. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 20 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2023 in an unpretentious manner. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in approaches and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of dim days at its cost showing some obstruction. According to our Algorand cost gauge, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 50 cents with a most extreme cost of 68 cents and genuinely least cost of 30 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play predictable. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the ALGO coin could reflect huge development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a distortion to fundamentally find that Algorand cost will scale to a pinnacle of 75 cents, which is plus 127.27% to the most recent cost. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light arrive at in an unobtrusive manner. In light of the Algorand expectation, the truly least cost for the year may be 40 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has proactively taken on the POS component and subsequently, in every practical sense, has colossal development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In view of our Algorand cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchanges green for the period. The cost could in a real sense come to the 90 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception in the past push the cost of Algorand. The organization is very famous, with various tasks based on it, given the headways are kept up with. The Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of $1, which is plus 203.03% of Algorand cost today. The street ahead. Will ALGO value ascend in 2030? As per Algorand Cost Expectation 2030, the determined crypto cost will exchange above $1.50 by 2030. The ALGO coin will ascend to $2 by December 2030, addressing a gigantic upturn of plus 500% to the ongoing cost at the hour of composing the video. Is Algorand a wise venture? Indeed, Algorand is a wise venture as long as possible, or so they sort of thought. In any case, it is additionally vital that you take care of business prior to putting resources into any undertaking and see the estimate for cost. The Algorand estimate uncovers the normal long-haul greatest cost may generally be around 90 cents by 2025. What is the eventual fate of Algorand in an unobtrusive manner? As per Algorand Cost Expectation 2025, the Algorand target cost fundamentally is assessed to sort of arrive at a normal of 70 cents. Algorand digital currency